Stephen Curry, ridiculous shot. Another day, another record for Steph. Nabitin pa sa isang record ang greatest shooter. Good vibes ang Warriors. Finally, a win for the Dallas Mavericks. Natuldukan nila ang kanilang 5-game losing streak. Well, kamuntikan pa silang makambak ng San Antonio Spurs sa final 8 seconds dahil sa back-to-back 3-pointer ni Keldon Johnson at Harrison Barnes. Buti na lang at naipasok ang 8 free throws without a miss to win the game. 123-129 for players ang nakapagtala ng 20-point game. Spencer Dinwiddie 28 points, 26 kay Klay, 23 points for Najee, and 22 points, 11 rebounds kay Kessler Edwards. Puntahan naman natin ang one of the hottest NBA teams sa Western Conference, ang Golden State Warriors with 4-game winning streak kalaban ng low-seeded team na Portland Trail Blazers. Close game sa first quarter, pinangunahan ni Deni Avdija ang Portland with 9 points habang si Stephen Curry naman ay nakapagtala ng dalawang 3-pointer with 8 points sa opening frame. It's a collective effort for the Golden State Warriors. Pumakita pa ng Eurostep sa Stephen Curry para hindi masupalpal nitong athletic na si Shaedon Sharpe. May 6 points naman si Jimmy Buckets at X-Factor off the bench si Gary Payton II with 7 points. 35-27, Warriors up by 8 at the end of first. Second quarter, step up naman off the bench pa rin itong si Buddy Hield with 11 points, 4 of 5 shooting from the field with 3 3-pointers. Nakipagbalyahan naman si Quinton Poe sa isa pang 7-footer big man na si Donovan Clingan. Naging si Jimmy Butler hindi umubra sa 7'4" rookie, bagsak si Jimmy Buckets. Nagsimulang lumobo up to 19 points ang lamang ng Golden State Warriors. 16 points lang naman ang naitala ni Gary Payton II dito sa first half with 4 3-pointers. Mostly role players ang kumana dito sa second frame. 3 points lamang sa Stephen Curry. Moses Moody driving to the basket to end the half. 68-49, 19-point lead. Third quarter, Quinton Post back-to-back field goal for the Golden State Warriors. A putback and a 3-pointer. Double-digit scoring na rin for the rookie big man. Pero kabahan na ang Golden State Warriors matapos mag-run ng Portland Trail Blazers. 10 straight points for Anfernee Simons. At sa dunk na to ni Donovan Clingan, finally baba na sa single-digit ang hinahabol ng Portland. 2 more 3-pointers from Shaedon Sharpe and Deni Avdija. 77-71, 6-point lead. Sumakit naman ang tiyan ni Stephen Curry nang talunan siya ni Donovan Clingan, ang one of the heaviest NBA player ngayon. Napa-take over si Stephen Curry. Nagsimula sa 3-pointer na to mga idol. Nasundan pa ng 3-pointer ni Buddy Hield and another 3-point basket for Stephen Curry. But the most ridiculous shot for Stephen Curry sa laban na to ay nang maipasok niya ang highly contested 3-point shot sa last 3 minutes. Tumalikod at dumapa pa sa sahig si Steph. 2 3-pointers away from history na lang itong si Steph. Never been done in the league's history mga idol ang makaabot ng 4,000 3-point made. At this point, nakapagtala na naman ng record si Stephen Curry for his 11th season with 253 pointers this year. Si Stephen Curry lang ang nakagawa niyan. Nilabas si Stephen Curry, no problem for the Golden State. Back-to-back 3-pointer na naman mula kay Buddy Hield at Moses Moody. 102-92, 10-point lead for the home team. Fourth quarter, nasya kinabul pa si Gary Payton II. Kinapos ng dunk pero may follow-up naman. Tuwang-tuwa si Podziemski habang si Stephen Curry napatago na lang sa kanyang tuwalya. Well, that's a great hustle for GP2. 22 points in 22 minutes for Gary Payton. Solid sa ilalim itong si GP2. Ganun din si Jimmy Butler na pagbalyahan pa rin kay Donovan Clingan. 9-minute mark, sinigurado na ni GP2 ang slam dunk na to mga idol. Alley-oop dunk mula sa assist ni Draymond. Fast break. 1 point away na lang to tie his career high. 7-minute remaining sa fourth quarter. Imbis na sumali, inawat na lang ni Draymond Green ang rookie. Masyadong matanda na si Draymond para makipag-away pa sa mga batang manlalaro. In fairness kay Draymond Green, kahit 4 points lang, may 4 na rebounds naman, 7 assists and 4 steals. 12 points pa ang habol ng Portland halfway. Finally, after 7 years, panibagong career high for Gary Payton II, 26 points. Nasa Lakers pa nun si GP2 nang maitala niya ang kanyang 25 points. Nabitin si Stephen Curry sa kanyang 4,000 3-point made. Well, panalo naman ng Warriors.